Division algorithm for polynomials. So this is already learned about in ninth class. So divide by two numbers. 25 divided by 4. So 4 is divisor and 25 is divided. 4 6 are 24. Remaining is 1. So it is called 4 is called divisor and 25 is called dividend. And 6 is called quotient, and 1 is a remainder. So the division rule is, the Euclid division rule is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in this method we use in polynomials, divisor algorithm for polynomials. Consider let us discuss the method divide one polynomial by another polynomial. Consider the example. Divide 2x cube plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Here 2x cube plus 3x plus 1 is one polynomial and x plus 2 is another polynomial. Divide one polynomial by another polynomial. Here x plus 2 polynomial take as a divisor. So x plus 2 take divisor. Dividend 2x cube plus 3x plus 1 take a dividend. So here in the dividend the highest degree of the term is 2x cube. 2x cube divide by the highest degree of the term in the divisor, that is x. 2x cube divide by x. Here x and x cancel, we get 2x square. So 2x square take as a coefficient in the quotient 2 2x square. So 2x square is multiplied by the each term in the divisor. So 2x square into x. 2x square into x equal to 2x cube. Here 2x square into 2, 4x square. Here x square coefficient, x square term is not given. X square term is not given, so we can write 0x square plus 3x plus 1. Here x square coefficient not given in the example, so we take a 0x square. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into x square, 4x square. Subtracting 2x cube minus x cube get cancelled. So here minus 4x square plus 3x plus 1. So in these terms the highest degree of the term is minus 4x square divided by highest degree of the term in the divisor by x. So here x and x get cancelled, we get minus 4x. So it is taken as in the quotient minus 4x. Minus 4x is multiplied by the each term in the divisor. Minus 4x into x. Minus 4x into x, that is equals to minus 4x square plus into minus 4 2s are 8 into x 8x. So subtracting here plus and here plus and minus and plus get cancelled. Here plus 3 plus 8 11x plus 1. 11x plus 1. Here 11x plus 1. The highest degree is 11x. It is divided by in the divisor highest degree of the term x. X get cancelled, that is equal to 11. So 11 in the quotient is multiplied by divisor each divisor 11 into x 11x plus 11 2s are 22 plus minus minus subtracting, so 11x will cancel, so minus 21 is the remainder. So remainder is less than the degree of division. So degree of remainder is less than the degree of remainder is less than the degree of division. So we cannot continue any further step. So by the verification, so we divide the polynomial one polynomial by the verification. The division algorithm rule, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is equals to 2x cube plus 3x plus 1, that is equals to divisor is x plus 2 into quotient 2x square minus 4x plus 11 plus remainder is minus 21. So x plus 2 into 2x square minus 4x plus 11, so multiplied both terms, 2x into 2x square, 2x cube, so x into minus 4x square, so x into 11 plus 11x, and then multiplied 2 into 2x square, 4x square, 2 into minus 4x minus 8x plus 11 into 2 22 minus 21, so 2x cube minus 4x square plus 4x square get cancelled, 11x minus 8x is 11 minus 8 plus 3x plus 22 minus 21, so 2x cube plus 3x, 22 minus 21 is plus 1, so 2x cube plus 3x plus 1, it is equal to the divided. So our division is correct. If p of x and g of x are two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0. So g of x means divisor is not equal to 0, then p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here p of x is a dividend, p of x is dividend, that is equals to g of x is a divisor and q of x is a coefficient plus r of x is a remainder. So this result is known as division algorithm for polynomials. So degree of remainder r of x is less than degree of divisor. Degree of divisor means g of x. So here degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. This result is known as division algorithm for polynomials. 11. Find all the zeros of 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know that 2 of its zeros and root 2 and minus root 2. So find all the zeros of given polynomial. సో ఇచ్చినటువంటి పాలినామియల్ యొక్క అన్ని జీరోస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. ఇఫ్ యు నో దట్ 2 of its zeros దాని యొక్క 2 జీరోస్ ఇచ్చాడు, √2 అండ్ -√2. సో ఈ పాలినామియల్ యొక్క 2 జీరోస్ √2 అండ్ -√2 ఇచ్చాడు. మిగిలినటువంటి ఆల్ ద జీరోస్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. Here √2 and -√2 are 2 zeros of its polynomial. So √2 is a zero of the polynomial. So x minus √2 is a factor. X minus √2 is the factor of polynomial. So and -√2 is the another zero. -√2 is the zero of the polynomial. So x plus √2 is the factor of polynomial. So √2 is the zero of polynomial. X minus is the factor of polynomial. -√2 is the zero of the polynomial. So x plus √2 is the factor of the polynomial. So here p of x is equals to given polynomial is equal to 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. So given zeros are x minus the zeros are √2 and -√2. So we can divide it √2 x minus √2 and x plus √2. So x minus √2 into x plus √2. So product of the two zeros x minus √2 into x plus √2. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. A square means x square minus b square means √2 whole square. Here square root and square get cancelled. So we get a x square minus 2. X square minus 2. So here x square minus 2 take as a divisor, divide by the polynomial 2x power minus 4 minus 3x cube minus 3 square plus 6x minus 2. So x square minus 2 take as divisor and given polynomial take as a dividend. So the order of the highest order of the dividend, the highest order of the in the dividend the term is 2x power 4. 2x power 4. The highest term of the dividend is x square. So 2x power 4 divided by x square. Here x square and x square get cancelled. Remaining is 2x square. So it is take as in the quotient 2x square. So 2x square is multiplied by the each term in the divisor. 2x square into x square 2x cube, 2x power 4. 2x power 4. X square into x square x power 4. So next minus 2 into 2 4 into x square. So here x cube term is not, so written in the 0 x cube 2x square minus into plus minus 2 to the 4 into x square 4x square. So subtracting minus plus 2x power 2x power get cancelled. So minus 3x cube plus 4 minus 3 plus 1. So plus x square plus 6x minus 2. Here minus 3x cube is the highest degree term. So minus 3x cube by here highest degree term is minus x square. So x square here and x square get cancelled. Remaining is minus 3x. So written as the quotient minus 3x. Minus 3x is multiplied by x square minus 2. Minus into plus minus 3x into x square 3x cube. Minus into minus plus 3 to the 6x 6x. Here x square term is not there, so we can write 0x square. So subtracting plus minus minus. So 3x cube get cancelled. So here plus x square, 6x get cancelled. So minus 2, x square minus 2. So here highest degree of the term is x square. In the divisor is x square get cancelled. So we get plus 1. So it can be written in the quotient plus 1. So plus 1 is divided by x square minus 2. So x square minus 2 into 1 is x square minus 2. Subtracting x square minus 2 by x square minus 2, we get 0. We get 0. Here x square 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is the quotient, and also zeros and also other zeros are x minus root 2 into x plus root 2. So this is the quadratic polynomial. It can be written as product of two factors, 2x square minus 3x plus 1, 2x square. So x square coefficient is 2, 2 into 1, 2. Here middle term is minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. So minus 2x minus x. So is nothing but minus 3x plus 1 into x minus root 2 into x plus root 2. So here 2x common, take 2x as common, remaining is x, and here minus 1. Here take minus 1 as common, we get x minus 1 into x minus root 2 into x plus root 2. So and again x minus 1 is common, so take x minus 1 as common, remaining is 2x minus 1 into x minus root 2 into x plus root 2. So all zeros of given polynomial is x minus 1. So x minus 1 0 is equals to 1. 2x minus 1 is 2x minus 1 equal to 0, that is equals to 1 by 2, and x minus 2 is equal to 0, so root 2 is 0, and x plus 2 is equals to 0, minus root 2 is 0. So 1 by 2, root 2 and minus root 2 are all zeros of polynomial 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2.